Species Diversity Assessment of Animals in Sibiswa, Pasacao Campus. Location line number, line 12. Time of collection identification of animal, 3:20 p.m. Habitat, soil, near roots of plants and rocks. Diet, herbivore, large feed on roots, adult feed on leaves. Behavior or activity, nocturnal activity, flight, feeding, mating. Symbiotic relationship with other organisms, non-significant. Taxonomic identification. Domain, Eukarya. Kingdom, Animalia. Phylum, Arthropoda. Class, Insecta. Order, Coleoptera. Family, Scarabaeidae. Genus, Pilopaga. Species, Pilopaga. Scientific name, Pilopaga. Common local name, Maybeetle or Junebug. IUCN status. Mostly lists concern species specific. Environmental threats. Habitat loss, pesticide use. Plant association. In which plant did you find it? Near the tree with a rock and lots of dry leaves. Location line number. Line 23. Time of collection identification of animal, 4 p.m. Habitat, grasslands, agricultural fields. Diet, herbivore, eats leaves and stems of plants. Behavior or activity, swarming, flying, feeding, and mating. Symbiotic relationship with other organisms. Non-significant. Taxonomic identification. Domain, Eukarya. Kingdom, Animalia. Phylum, Arthropoda. Class, Insecta. Order, Orthoptera. Family, Acrididae. Genus, Scestocerca. Species, Gregaria. Scientific name, Scestocerca gregaria. Common local name, desert locust. IUCN status, least concern. Environmental threats. Habitat loss due to agriculture. Pesticide use. Plant association. In which plant did you find it? Various grasses and crops.